Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find and how to disable NFC payments in Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. To turn off our NFC payments, we have to go to the settings, of course, then from the top in connections, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, eSIM manager, etc. Here we have NFC and contactless payments. To turn it off, we simply need to uncheck this little box here. It's turned off. Here's a little explanation what the NFC functions does and how it works. That's all. Our NFC payments are now turned off. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.